Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the mic ready. Charge it to at least half and power it on so the transmitter can sustain a session. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone or recorder and open the companion app to scan and select the mic ID. This ensures a secure link. Make sure the mic itself is unmuted and set to the intended channel so you avoid interference. This is essential because pairing alone won't guarantee live audio if the unit is muted or on the wrong channel. Next, position the microphone for clear capture. Clip it roughly 4 to 6 inches from the speaker's mouth or attach a lapel microphone to the chest for steady pickup. Then set input gain on the receiver or recorder so peaks sit near -12 dBFS. If the source is loud, engage a pad to prevent distortion. Also verify the sample rate and codec, typically 48 kHz and AAC or PCM. Finally, monitor through headphones while you record so you can hear dropouts, hum, or clipping and act immediately. Record a short test clip and inspect the waveform and playback. That verifies gain, placement, and codec choices. If you encounter problems, try one troubleshooting step. Move the transmitter to maintain line of sight, switch to a less congested channel, or restart the transmitter and receiver. Often one of these actions restores a stable connection and fixes most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.